Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to see about 5 important strategies that one should know when attempting for multiple choice question in DGMS competitive examination. If you are watching this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel Suranga Uli so that you will get notified whenever we post videos related to mining. All the competitive examination conducted by DGMS are given in the form of multiple choice question format. In addition to studying all the portions for the competitive examination, it is also very important for us to know the strategies behind the multiple choice question in order to crack the competitive examination successfully. Tactics number 1. Look for negative marks, high or low. Before attempting for the examination, it is very important for us to know how much negative mark is awarded for the wrong answer answered by yes. It is very important because let us take an example. For an examination, 0.2 is awarded as negative mark. In this case, you will lose 1.2 mark for every 6 questions wrongly answered by you. But for an examination, if the negative mark is awarded to be 0.4, you will lose the same 1.2 mark for only 3 wrong questions answered by you. So, higher the negative marks awarded for the examination, more the mark you will lose as the negative mark. So, you should not attempt for the questions which you do not know clearly. But if the negative mark is comparatively less, means you will lose only less negative mark for the wrong question answered by you. So it provides you a chance for attempting the question that you know as a partially. Strategy number 2. Leave for later, whether it's difficult or easy. While attempting for the questions, look for the questions that are easy to answer. While answering the question, when you are stuck up with a difficult question or the question you don't know answer, don't get stuck up there. Leave that question for later, answer the remaining questions. Maybe after attempting for some question, you may get some idea for the question. When you get the idea, try to answer them. Because when you stuck up with the question that you don't know, you are losing the opportunity for answering the remaining questions that may be easier for you. Strategy number 3. Look all the choices. All the above or none of the above. While attempting for examination, don't answer a question by seeing only partial number of choices. Completely read all the 5 choices and then try to answer. While attempting for multiple choice questions, we need to pay more attention to the critical choices like all the options, none of the above, and in the same question you can see there is 2 critical terms, none of the option and option A and B. And there may be also cases like this, none of the options and any of the above. While attempting for the questions having choices of these critical terms, you should pay more attention to the other choices and you should choose the correct option. Strategy number 4. Silly mistakes. Correct or incorrect. While reading the question in the examination, we have to pay more attention to these critical terms like except, never, not, correct statement or incorrect statement. Not paying attention to these critical terms will make us to understand the question in different way and we may forced to answer the wrong answer for the known correct question. For example, if you see that question, which of the following is not a type of flow process chart? If you didn't give attention to that word not, you will think that in that question they have asked from the following which is a type of flow process chart, which completely make you to answer a wrong question. In the another example, you can see the provisions of chapter 4a of the Mines Rules 1955 shall not apply to. They have specified here not. If you didn't see that word not, you will think that in this question they are asking for this provision is applied to which of the following. So in this case also you will answer a wrong answer. In this question you can see which statement is correct. No person shall be required or allowed to work in a mine. If you didn't see that term correct or incorrect, you may forced to answer the question wrongly. So pay attention to these critical words. Strategy number 5. Start by elimination. Whether it is right or wrong. To know about this strategy, let us see a question. Which of the following are the competent person? Option A, dumper operator. Option B, all the options. Option C, dozer operator. Option D, blaster. Option E, mate. In this question, from the given options, I am pretty much confident that blaster and mate are competent person. So, I am eliminating these options. But I am in doubt whether dumper operator and dozer operator whether they are competent person or not. When I am seeing option B, they have given that all the options. When I am confidently know that among the 5 options, when 2 options are correct, the other 2 must be correct because option B has given us all the options. So, by eliminating the known answer, I am finding the correct answer. So, this strategy is called elimination strategy. These strategies were very helpful for me when I am writing for my first class Mines Manager competitive examination. Hope these strategies will also be useful for you. In these days, smart work is also equal to the hard work when you want success at your hand. From the Surangavali team, I wish all the people who are going to write DGMS competitive examination to come up with flying colors. Hope this video was very useful to you. Subscribe to our channel for more videos.